DALI 2 push-button coupler, mini size, fit into smaller space. 4 DALI 2 push-button instances are available for an easy integration. DALI 2 control device that integrates existing push switches into DALI system. DALI bus powered, no extra power supply required. Push terminal, easy installation. DALI bus interface. Addressing. This is DALI push button coupler. Check them by default. Instance, here you can enable or disable the functions of buttons. Application, set events and function of each buttons. Destination address, can set as none, all devices, group or single address. Here we set instance 0 to control all devices. Short press to on or off. Long press to brightness up. Set instance 1 to control all devices. Short press to on or off. Long press to brightness down. Set instance 2 to control all devices. Short press to on or off. Long press to brightness up. Set instance 3 to control all devices. Short press to on or off. Long press to brightness down. Click to save settings. Done. We can control LED dimmer with switch now. Off. On. Brightness down. Off. On. Brightness up.